Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video you're going to do the unboxing of the Infinix Hot S3. So this is the latest budget smartphone under the Hot series from Infinix in India, and the S3 is the latest device, and this is a global launch of this device. So S3 comes with quite good specifications, and this is one of those devices with 18:9 aspect ratio display, and we also have a 20 megapixel low light selfie camera on the S3. So this is the box pack of the Infinix Hot S3. So we can see that it comes with 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage, and here we have the mention of the specifications. It comes with a 20 megapixel low light selfie camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 octa-core chipset, 5.7-inch HD display, and we have 4000 mAh battery, bokeh and beauty mode, and XOS. That's the UI of this device. It comes with 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. Now the price mentioned on this box is 999, so we are not really sure about the actual pricing of this device because at this time of unboxing the pricing is not yet announced, and we expect this pricing to be slightly lower than this, and we'll wait for the official pricing, and we'll update once the pricing is announced by Infinix. So you can also see the SAR value is less than 1.6. that's the SAR value. And this is the box pack of this device. So let's get started with the unboxing. So opening up this box, let's see the device and what all comes inside the box. So there you go. So here you can see on the top you can see the Infinix Hot S3. So this is the device. You can see express yourself with the 20 megapixel low light selfie camera. That's the highlight of this device, and it has an 18:9 aspect ratio display and 4000 mAh capacity battery. That's a quite good capacity battery, and we have 32 and 3GB RAM and storage variant available. So let's remove this, and here we have again a sticker here, and camera is also covered. So there you go. So that's the device. So it looks quite good in terms of the fit and finish and design aspect, and you can see the build quality also looks quite good. We have a dual LED flash here along with the camera, the fingerprint scanner, and we have the power and volume keys on the right side. The top panel houses the 3.5mm audio jack, and the bottom section houses the micro USB charging slot and also the speaker unit. The left side houses the SIM tray slot. So you can see that there is a dedicated SD card slot available on this device. That's quite good because most of the phones skip on that and provide only a hybrid SIM card slot. So now let's boot this device and we'll come back to the device. So in the meantime, let's see what else comes inside the box. So opening up, you can see there is a screen guard included. So this is a screen guard which comes with the box, and Infinix warranty and manuals included. Then you get a good quality silicone case. This is the back cover included. That's quite good quality, and black color makes it even more better. So the quality looks good. And then we have the adapter. So the rating is at 5 volt 2 ampere. That's the voltage rating. And then we have the standard charging and data syncing cable. That's the one available. And finally we also have the SIM ejector pin included. So that's all inside the box. Now let's boot the device. So now we have booted the device, and this is the Infinix Hot S3 and looks quite good in terms of specification. So let's go to the settings and see the options. So system, you can see about phone, you can see XOS, and the interesting aspect is that this is one of the few devices, or rather the first device under the sub 10K price segment with Android Oreo out of the box. You can see Android 8.0 is the version of the software. We have Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 octa-core chipset, 3GB RAM, 32GB storage, 4000 mAh battery, and we have a 13 megapixel rear camera, autofocus, 20 megapixel front facing camera, and we have a screen size of 1440 by 720p. That's a HD plus resolution display. And the interesting aspect we found was the Android Oreo out of the box. So that's something really good and well done from Infinix in India. So now let's see the camera aspect. So this device comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera, and we have tested the Infinix 05 and found the camera to be quite good. So we are expecting this camera also to perform quite well, because Infinix cameras have been known for quite good performance overall. So the camera interface is definitely good, and let's see some of the samples we have taken with this device. So this is the sample which we have taken right now. So here are some of the other samples which we have taken with the Infinix Hot S3 after unboxing the device. So we will be coming up with a detailed camera review pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. And this phone also comes with a 20 megapixel selfie camera capable of low light selfies. So this is probably the first smartphone under the 10K price segment with a 20 megapixel camera, and it does a quite good job overall. So we will be analyzing the selfie camera as well in our detailed camera review. So stay tuned for that video. So overall, the Infinix Hot S3 looks quite good in terms of specifications, features being offered: 4000 mAh battery, 20 megapixel camera, Android Audio, and a 3GB RAM and 32GB storage along with the Snapdragon 430 makes it a good overall package in this price segment. So this device is priced below the 10K price point in India. To know the exact pricing, we'll update once the pricing is officially announced by the company. So that's the Infinix Hot S3. Overall, it feels quite good. So this was the quick unboxing and hands-on with the Infinix Hot S3. We'll be posting up the detailed gaming review, the camera review and other aspects of this device. So stay tuned for the videos and don't forget to hit the red subscribe button to keep updated with all the videos. This video was brought to you by Cashify.in, where you can sell your smartphones and other devices like laptops and tablets for cash. Check the description of this video for more information on Cashify and how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.